Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a good day. So living a healthy and prosperous life. So I've come again here in this video to speak on the cue card and so it is a practice basically which I do for speaking, and the cue card is basically about describing a famous person that you are interested in. So this is the cue card and I have jotted down the words which I can basically use while speaking. So without wasting our time, so let's jump into this video. And so if I talk about interested person, there is multiple people we are interested in, and so as a perspective of their growth basically, and the person name is Cristiano Ronaldo basically, because of his efforts which he has put on his childhood, and because of that he is able to perform it from these age as well. Like he's a footballer, and because of the footballer he got a lot of attention throughout the world, and he is able to make a lot of money from his passion basically. So it was a time when he was studying, and at that time because of short tempered he is not able to fully fully studies, and because of that uh, he got rusticated from his studies. So he basically quit the studies. After that he just focused on football, and by that only he have worked like around 20 to 22 hours in a day for the football. That much of he is dedicated about. So after working on these fields, so in in the late 20s he got diagnosed by one major heart problem. So the doctor told them you cannot able to play football, and so it is very disturbing for him, because he's passionate about football. So how can somebody can stop playing that? So he never like uh, follow the doctor's rules, and because of that he's still working, and he's worked too much. Because of that he got a lot of sponsorship, franchisee, and a top of the footballer in the all over the globe. And I have learned a lot of things basically from him. He have worked day out throughout the day of working 15 to 20 hours a day, and that is not kind of a famous thing nowadays people are focusing on. So he have worked, and because of that he is getting lot of huge wealth. And so yeah, I was getting a lot of inspiration thing from them. And one famous quote which is wrote by the Cristiano, which I'm going to talk about in today's video as well. The quote is about if you cannot believe in yourself, so you are not fully able to adapt basically what you are capable of. So that is about if you don't believe you are the best, then you will never achieve all that you are capable for. So this is a quote from the Cristiano. Okay, so on this note, I'm completing this video. So there is more I need to talk basically, and for the cue card, at least for the 2 minutes or more than 3 minutes, that is basically the requirement is. But I have spoken around 1 minute or 1 minute more than less than 1 minute. So I'm going to focus on that and improving myself a lot more, and I will also do the same the Cristiano have worked. So in near future I will definitely improve myself from this. Okay, so just completing this video. Hope you guys like it. Bye.